go to freight order application. So here, next important interview question, how do you identify the technical field of specific UI field? The technical field name of specific UI field, how do you identify? And this is also very important from support perspective. Support perspective, these kind of requirements come very often, right? So let's say, for example, here the carrier 700238 carrier is displayed. Now, how this 700238 is coming? You don't know what is the table behind this carrier field. Now, how do you find out what is the table name or F4 help, etc.? How do you figure it out? Now, what you should do, you should launch the application first. Okay, if you received an incident when you are working in a support project, they should explain what is, whether it is a freight order or freight booking. So they should also give you the freight order. If it is a freight order application, they should give you freight order number. If it is a freight booking application, they should give you freight booking number. Now you launch this freight order or freight booking application, right? So you go to, when you launch this application, you will see screen something like this. Right click on it. So you keep your cursor. Let's say if you are talking about carrier, right click on it, choose technical help. So if you choose technical help, right, this is very much important interview question. Interviewers will ask you to explain step-by-step approach. How do you determine the technical field name of a specific UI field? So this is how you figure it out. So right click, keep your cursor on the field name, right click on it, choose technical help. You go to views and view elements, right? So you go to views and view elements, and you go to view elements and properties. So here you can see, yeah. Okay, so here you can see value help. If your issue is talking about F4, you can choose, you can go to value help and you can choose this one. Right, you go to SAP system. So you go to search help. So you can choose display. Yeah, so this is the F4 help. Now you can just, this is again, you're coming back to core SAP ABAP experience, right? Right. So even for functionals, you can just execute this one and see, how the F4 help will work, right? So all that you can see, what are the importing and exporting parameters, right? All that you can do search help exit also if you want to enhance this, right? So all that is possible. Now here you will see a data element here, right? You can also see data element, right? If I go here, Bupa internal ID, right? So BU partner and value range. So here you can see BUT 000. This is how you identify the database table behind the value. Database table behind the value. If you just execute it, so here you can see number of entries 3,936. Now let me see the value 700,238. 700,238. Right? So you have the business partner here. Now from the functional point of view, you can go to BP transaction. Right? So here 700,238. You can enter. Yeah, that's okay. So you can see this is the business partner. Yeah. So functional consultant open this transaction and see. But if any technical consultant and you want to see what is the database table associated with particular field, this is how you identify the technical field name and associated value search help and associated database table.